everybody and welcome back to our channel. If your screen is flickering while watching Netflix on your PC, in today's video we are providing you with a step-by-step guide to fix that issue. So let's get started. So the first thing we can do is we can turn off hardware acceleration, which is one of the most common fixes. You may go to a browser, and within your browser, if you're using Chrome, Edge, etc., go to their settings by clicking on the three dot and look out for a setting. And within settings, what you may do is go to system, and from system look out for hardware acceleration when available. This graphics acceleration, you just need to turn this option off like this and then restart your browser. You can relaunch it once you do so, and that should probably fix your issue. Apart from that, you can disable Windows HDR. For that, go to your settings and go to your system, and within your system look out for display and click on your main display here, and from there look out for the option for HDR, this one right here, and you may turn it off if this option is turned on, and you can restart your Netflix once again on your device. Also, you can change the display refresh rate. Again, head over to settings for that and go to system, and within your system go to display and look out for advanced display here, and you may make the refresh rate to something lower such as 60 Hz instead of the highest one, and apply the changes and see if that fixes the issue. If not that, you can update or roll back your graphics driver. For that, you need to go to your devices manager, go to device manager, hit enter, and within your device manager expand the option for display adapters, and from here look out for your update GPU. Right click on it and select the option for update driver and update it. If not this, you can roll back your driver and reinstall it on your device. And then once it is done, you can just go over and access your Netflix and probably try again accessing the show that you're trying to look for, and your screen flickering issue should probably be fixed. And that's it. Usually these are the methods you can follow up to fix this issue right now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.